Right. So, question number 26. Here, Sita is the niece of Ashok. For example, we have a person whose name is Ashok. Sita is the niece of Ashok. Niece means brother or sisters. Daughter is called as niece. Ashok should have a sibling, that is brother or sister. Brother or sister's daughter is called as niece, that is Sita. Next one, Ashok's mother. Ashok's mother, that means this person. Ashok's mother is Lakshmi. Next, Kalyani is Lakshmi's mother. Kalyani is Lakshmi's mother. Lakshmi's mother is Kalyani. Next one, Kalyani's husband is Gopal. Kalyani's husband is Gopal. Parvati is mother-in-law of Gopal. How is Sita related to Gopal? To answer this question, I don't have to place Parvati. So how is Sita related to Gopal? To Gopal. Gopal's daughter's son, grandson's sibling is also grandchild's daughter. Great option ఒకటే ఉంది కదా, great తో start అయ్యే option, so that is right answer. Great granddaughter. Next one, 530, 930. If you look at the numbers, what is 5 square? 25 plus 3 is 30. మేల్కొని ఉన్నారు అయితే. 25 plus 5 is 30. Next, what is 30 square? 900 plus 30 is 930. This is in terms of n square plus n, right? Then 2 square is 4. 4 plus 2, same number. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next, 6 square is 36. 36 plus 6, 42, that is option 1. Next, 28. Semantic is coded as 25415,293. How will practice is coded in that language? So, Ssc's numerical value 19. 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 0, 1. Actually, it must be 1. It must be 1. Next, E is 5. It is available. M is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. Yes, 4 is there. Next, A is exactly 1. N is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. T is 20. 2 plus 0 is 2. After that, I is 9 as it is. C is 3. So, if alphabet's value is single digit, keep it as it is. If it has 2 digits, then we need to add the digits till getting single digit. So, P16, 1 plus 6, 7 means option 1 eliminated. Next one is R is 18. 1 plus 8, 9. A is 1, that is 7, 9, 1. Next, C is 3. 7, 9, 1, 3. After that, T 20. 2 plus 0 is 2. Next, I is 9. After that, C is 3, E is 5. What is option number? 2. Next, odd one out is required. Right, so option 1 says that W is 23, R is 18, N is 14 with respect to numbers. Second option, S is 19, N is 14, J is 10. Third option, H is 8, C is 3. C ni 3 అనుకోవచ్చు. If required 26 plus 3 29 కూడా కన్సిడర్ చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ Y 5 25. నెక్స్ట్ fourth option A1, or it can also be treated as 27, V is 22, P 16. If we get the difference, 23 minus 5 is 18, 18 minus 4 is 14, minus 5 minus 4, 19 minus 5 is 14, 14 minus 4 is 10. Yes. Next, after that, 8 3, 8 minus 3 is 8 minus 5 is 3. Now 3 కాదు 29 అనుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు 29 minus 4 is 25. Yes or no? Yes. Now here 27 22, that is minus 5, 22 minus 6. In first three options we have minus 5 and minus 4, but differently in fourth option we have minus 6, so this is odd one. Next, 121, 222, 424 and question mark. What is the difference of given numbers? 101. Next difference is 202. Next difference may be 303, maybe 303, or 101 into 2 is 202, 202 into 2 404. 303 is valid number, 404 is also valid number. 424 plus 303 will be 727, but the number 727 is not available, so I should not take up 303. I should take 404. 424 plus 404 is 828, option 2. Option 2. Next, 31. 12 is related to 64. 12 into 5 is 60, plus 4 is 64, into 5 plus 4. 8 into 5 is already 40, there is no plus 4. 7 into 5 35, 35 plus 4 is 39, not 48. 10 into 5 is 50, 50 plus 4 is 54, option 3. Next, 32. Right, so select the option in which the given figure is embedded. Same figure అనేది hide అయి ఉండాలి. It is there in fourth option. Vertical line, it is there. Next, horizontal line is also there, and then cap, exactly there in fourth option. Next one, here 4 votes are given, out of which 3 are alike, means odd one. Termination, conclusion, intermission and valediction. Termination ante get out కదా, that is the way for exit. Conclusion ante final ga conclude చేస్తున్నామంటే we are reaching to end, that is also exit. Next, intermission, బ్రేక్ అంటే ఎండ్ కాదు. మనకి 10 to 1 టైంలో 10 to 11:30, తర్వాత 11:30 నుంచి 15 minutes బ్రేక్ వస్తుంది, దట్ ఈజ్ ఇంటర్మిషన్. సినిమా హాల్లో కూడా వస్తుంది కదా, దట్ ఈజ్ ఇంటర్మిషన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, వ్యాలిడిక్షన్ ఈజ్ ద వర్డ్ విచ్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఎగ్జిట్. సో ద డిఫరెంట్ వన్ ఈజ్ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్, అనాలజీ, వర్డ్ అనాలజీ, వెయిటర్, రెస్టారెంట్. రెస్టారెంట్లో వెయిటర్ ఉంటారు, కార్లో డ్రైవర్ కాదు, చాఫర్, హీ కెనాట్ బి కాల్డ్ యాజ్ డ్రైవర్. నెక్స్ట్, స్కూల్లో టీచర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వ్యాలిడ్. బుక్లో ఉండేది పేజెస్, నాట్ ఆథర్. యాక్టింగ్లో ఉండేది యాక్షన్స్, నాట్ యాక్టర్. సో సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్, here to get the answer you can pick any of the letters, right? So if we go for starting letters, that is T20, Q is 17, N is 14, K is 11. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8 or H? Huh? H. 8th letter is H. Next, after that, we need to go for X is 24. లేదా బ్యాక్వర్డ్ డైరెక్షన్లో U, V, W, X. U before we should have T. అదృష్టం బాగా ఉంది. లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ లాస్ట్ లెటర్. B is 2, E is 5, H is 8, K is 11. Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. 11 plus 3, N. సో Nతో ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్, హియర్ what would be symbol on the opposite side of @? Generally every alternative place is called as opposite place. Alternative is dollar, so opposite will be dollar. Percentage opposite will be and, plus opposite will be hash. So opposite is dollar, which is there in option 2. Next, meaningful order, not dictionary order. Apartment, town, street, building, complex. So ఫైనల్లీ మనం ఏం ఫామ్ చేస్తాం? అపార్ట్మెంట్, టౌన్, స్ట్రీట్, బిల్డింగ్, కాంప్లెక్స్. ఫైనల్లీ మనకు వచ్చేది టౌన్ కదా, ఫైనల్. లేదా స్మాల్ వన్ టు బిగ్ వన్. ఫ్యూ అపార్ట్మెంట్స్ టుగెదర్ we call it as building. Apartments few together are called as building. Few of buildings are called as complex. Complexes unna street. Next, town. So now apartment 1, building 4, complex 5, street 3, town 2. Option 1, 4, 5, 3 to option 4. Next, rational spell is exactly in the backward direction. RATIONAL. Same. Tribal, TRIBAL, which is there in option 2. Option 2. Next, 39. Fish. F is 6, I is 9, S is 19, H is 8. Next, decodings. I is 9, O is 15, B is 2, or if required 26 plus 2, 28. Next, after that T is 20. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. What is H? 8. 8 plus 3? 8 plus 3? 11 means K. Starting with K, we have two options. Let's go for last letter, that will be enough. Last letter is 8. 8 becomes 20. 8 plus 12 is 20. Then after, here we have T. T is 20. 20 plus 12 is 32. 32nd letter means 32 minus 26 is 6. 6th letter means F. Ending with F, that is option number 1. 20 plus 12 is 32. 32nd letter means we need to subtract 26 again. That is 6. 6th letter is F. Next, So as per options, first option 11, first symbol will be plus 15 into 78 minus 6 divided by 18 equal to 160. As we know that we are going to get decimal value, but on right side we don't have any decimal value, hence first option is eliminated. Second option 11, and then we have multiplication 15, addition 78, division 6 minus 18 must be equal to 160, right? What is 11 into 15? 165. What is 78 by 6? 13 minus 18. So 13 minus 18 is minus 5. 165 minus 5 is 160. So option number 2. Next, 41. How many triangles are there in the given figure? First tell me, how many triangles are these? 3. 1, 2, overall that is 3. So far here we have 3 triangles. It is the 4th triangle, and overall this is one more triangle, that is 5. That means entire this portion has 5 triangles so far. Next, on right side we know that if this is the format, total we have 1, 2. So 1 plus 2 we have 3 triangles. Similar to this, if you observe, these are also of 3 triangles. Same type, these are also of 3 more triangles. 3 plus 3, 6. Here we have 5 triangles and these are 6 triangles. This is 7th triangle so far. Yes, 7th triangle ante right side andi. మీరు అలా చూడకపోతే ఇవి 5, ఇవి 6, this is 1, this is 1. So far 5 plus 6 plus 1, and there is one more triangle to be considered. That is exactly, this is also a triangle, plus 1, together we have 13. 13. Next, 42. 42 here, as we need to get odd one out. అర్థమయ్యాయండి ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్లో 13 triangles. Yes. Next, 42. What is sum of all these digits? 9. Next, 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 8, 18. Next sum is also 18. Next sum 13. So these are 9 multiples. This is not 9 multiple, hence it is odd one. Or this is divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3. It cannot be divisible by 3, hence it is odd one. Next, 43. Or lyric. Do you know what is odd one in this question? Or, because odd one out is epic, not or, because all these voices are related to music system, but epic is not related to music instrument, as epic is odd one. All these are musical elements except epic, so epic is odd one. Next, right, so in this space, if you exactly observe here, this is in this way. Yes, but in the second option shape is different, eliminated. Even in fourth option also shape is different, this is also eliminated. But exactly first option is not similar to this one, this is also eliminated, hence option number 3. Next, 45. Silox. Starting letters, all H's are I's, all H's are I's, all I's are F's. Conclusion 1, all F's are I's. No, all F's are not inside of I, hence conclusion number 1 is wrong. Second one, all H's are F's. Yes, all H's are inside of F itself, it will be true. Only 2 is true. Next, directions. Gaurav walks 20 meters towards north. For example, we have a person Gaurav. Gaurav walks 20 meters in north direction. He then turns left and walks 40. Turns left, walks 40. He again turns left and walks 20. Again turns left, walks 20. As it is 20 meters distance, same length has been given. So we need to stop here. So it will be 20. Further, he moves 20 meters after turning to right. After turning to right 20. This is only right, 20 meters is required. Then, how far is he from original position? This is original position. Up to here it is 40, as it is of 40, and it is 20. Answer is 40 plus 20. Fourth option. Next, M is 6th from left end, P is 10th from right end in a row of boys, right? So now, for example, we have a row. It is clear that M is 6th from left end. For example, here we have a person M. M is 6th from left end. P is 10th from right end. As P is 10th from right end, we have two possibilities right now. We have two possibilities, right? That is exactly M is 6th from left. For example, M is here, 6th from left. P is 10th from right end. Maybe P is here, so P is 10th from right end. Or you may place P here also, so that P is 10th from right end so far. If I place P here, that means that P is on right side of M. If I place P here, which means that P is on left of M. After this, next one, there are 8 boys between M and P. In between M and P, we should have 8 boys. So here we should have 8 persons. Here also we should have 8 persons. But the thing is, from left to M only, we have 6 members. That means before M, how many persons will be there? Before M, we will have 5 persons. Out of 5 persons, P is 1 person. Other than P, remaining are 4 persons. That means maximum I can place only 4 members between P and M. But they are saying that 8 members between P and M. By this reason, this will be eliminated. Then, how many boys are there in the row? How many means total? So total implies 6 plus 8 plus 10, that is 24. Next, matrix method. So in this paragraph, you don't have to read entire information, but you need to read one line perfectly. What is much needed line means, a letter from these matrices can be represented first by its row, next by its column. Adi careful ga chusukovali, because sometimes they can mention that first by its column, next by its row. They can give you like that also. But first by its row, next by its column. That means here A can be represented by 5, 5. 5, 5 means first number 5, fifth row. Next number 5, fifth column. So, fifth row, here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are rows. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are columns. Right? So, fifth row, fifth column. Fifth row, fifth column, intersection part is A. Here we have A. Sixth row, seventh column. So, sixth row, seventh column, sixth row, seventh column, intersection place is A. Likewise, then identify the set for the word door. Through options only we need to get the answer. That means D, O, O, R. First number is 6, first by its row, that means sixth row. Next number is 9, ninth column. Sixth row, ninth column, we should have D. Sixth row, ninth column, common place is D. Next, after that, O. Fourth row, fourth column must be O. Fourth row, fourth column, fourth row, fourth column, again we have O. That is okay. Next, second row, 0th column. Second row, 0th column is also O. Next, 4, 3. Fourth row, third column. Yes, fourth row, third column. Do we have R here? No, R లేదు కదా. Eliminated. Now we need to check out remaining options. Next, now 7th row, 6th column. 7th row, 6th column, we have D. 0th row, first column. 0th row, first column, we have O. Next one, 4, 4. Fourth row, fourth column, we have O. That's also okay. Second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column, what is there? F. It is eliminated. ఇలా ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు మీ మైండ్కి ఒక థాట్ వస్తుంది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నీడ్ ఆఫ్ చెకింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ బిగినింగ్, వై నాట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎండింగ్? ఎండింగ్ అంటే ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ నుంచి కాదు, ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ నుంచే. బట్ ఆప్షన్ని లాస్ట్ నుంచి వెరిఫై చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. రైట్? నౌ ఫస్ట్ రో, సెకండ్ కాలం. ఫస్ట్ రో, సెకండ్ కాలం F, but we don't need F. We don't need R కాదు, we don't need F. So this is eliminated, hence option number 4. Next, find the missing term from the given alternatives. Have we got the logic? So by the way, it is column verification. Column verification, that is 65. Next, 48. From this only we need to get 23. Right? So we need to have addition, but before to that we need to add the digits also. 6 plus 5, 11. 4 plus 8, 12. 11 plus 12, 23. అంటే ఏం చేయాలా? ఈ 4 డిజిట్స్ని యాడ్ చేసాం, వీ గాట్ 23. నెక్స్ట్ 5 plus 8, 13. 3 plus 9, 12. 13 plus 12 is 25. 7 plus 9, 16. 8 plus 0, 8. 16 plus 8, 24. Option 1. Next, last question. So mirror image is to be identified, right? As it is F ending, answer must start with F itself. F, here F undi kaane reverse ayindi, so eliminated. It is not F, eliminated. We have 2 options, but the thing is, if you observe this position, as this is on left side, that must, sorry, this is on right side, that must come to left side, but it is on right side, eliminated, hence option number 3. That's it. Thank you.